Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about ligation of DNA fragments with vectors, homopolymer tailing, linkers and adapters. Ligation of DNA fragment with vectors. Ligation is the act of joining together DNA strands with covalent bonds with the aim of making new viable DNA or plasmid. There are currently three methods for joining DNA fragments. The first of these is DNA ligase that covalently joins the anyl cohesive ends produced by certain restriction enzymes. And the second depends upon the ability of DNA ligase from phase T4 infected E. coli to catalyze the formation of phosphodiester bond. And the third one utilizes the enzyme terminal deoxynucleotide transferase to synthesize homopolymeric 3' end single-stranded tails at the end of fragments. E. coli and phase T4 encode an enzyme DNA ligase. T4 enzyme requires ATP while E. coli enzyme requires NAD+. DNA fragments with either sticky ends or blunt ends can be inserted into vector DNA with the aid of DNA linkers and adapters. Linker is a synthetic, short, and non-double-stranded oligonucleotide sequence. Having blunted ends on both sides and restriction sites, E. coli DNA ligase will not catalyze blunt end ligation, except under special condition. Linker can be ligated to both ends of foreign DNA. Treatment with restriction enzyme produces sticky ends after ligation with target DNA. Sticky ends are desirable for DNA cloning experiments. One drawback is restriction enzyme used to generate cohesive end in the linker will also cut foreign DNA at internal sites. Solution to the problem is to choose another cloning experiments. One drawback is restriction enzyme used to generate cohesive end in the linker will also cut foreign DNA at internal sites. Solution to the problem is to choose another restriction enzyme or to methylate internal restriction sites on the foreign DNA. Alternatively, a chemically synthesized adapter molecule which have a performed cohesive end can be used. An adapter is a short, chemically synthesized, double-stranded DNA molecule which is used to link the ends of two other DNA molecules. The adapter molecule have one blunt end bearing 5' phosphate group and a cohesive end which is not a phosphorylated. The use of adapters. The actual structure of an adapter showing the modified 5' end OH terminus and the conversion of blunt ends to sticky ends through the attachment of adapter. Homopolymer tailing. Method for joining DNA molecules make use of the annealing of complementary homopolymer sequence. Addition of oligo sequences to the 3' ends of one DNA molecule and oligo blocks to the 3' end of another population. The enzyme terminal deoxynucleotide transferase will catalyze the addition of a string of nucleotides to the 3' end of a DNA fragment. One can add a string of guanine to the 3' end of one fragment and a string of cysteine to the 3' end of other fragment. Homopolymer tailing. Synthesis of homopolymer tailing. Construction of a recombinant DNA molecule from a tailed vector plus tailed insert DNA. Repair of the recombinant DNA molecule. The enzyme terminal deoxynucleotide transferase will catalyze the addition of a string of nucleotides to the 3' end of a DNA fragment. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment below.